Hi guys, my name is Ashley. If this is your first time here, welcome. Make sure you do click that red button that says subscribe, and make sure you do click that bell notifications to get notifications when I do upload new videos. And if you have social media, you can always follow me on my social media, makeup artist 27, and that will be here for you guys. And it's also linked down below, so you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and of course you can subscribe to this channel. And if you do like these videos, make sure you do give it a thumbs up. On today's video, we're going to be doing the little sneak peeks for the Boxy Charm of August. Yay! I'm so excited. Of course, Boxy Charm is like one of the best subscriptions you will ever have, and that is a note, okay? So if you don't know what's Boxy Charm, it's a subscription that you pay monthly, and it comes with 5 amazing products that you won't regret because they're full-size products compared to Ipsy. Ipsy comes with 5 products, but they are mini sizes, so travel sizes. Boxy Charm, you get 5 and they're full size. You pay $21, 21 something, and you get 5 amazing products from amazing companies, which I love. And of course, we're gonna go ahead and get you a little sneak peek of what we're going to get on August. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to kind of like shift to one way so you guys are able to see. So there's nothing, I haven't seen anything for that. There's nothing on Twitter about Boxy Charm for August. Which sucks. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started on the products that we might be receiving. So we got 3 sneak peeks so far, and I'm gonna give you those in a minute. One of the things we're receiving is the Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Yes, face oil. Wonder Beauty face oil, and it comes like in a tube, and it's kind of like a pink color. And I'm gonna put a picture right here for you guys because you know I am good with those. Let's see what's next. Next thing is Tarte Cosmetics. It's not Tarte. The second sneak peek that we have is a Tarte Cosmetics Big Eagle Vegan Mascara, which has a value of $23. And I'll put the picture right here for you guys. It comes like in a pink box. Yeah, I see like a pink box. It kind of looks like well, it's a full size, of course. So alright, so another product that we have, which would be third sneak peek, so it's kind of like 4 sneak peeks. Yeah, it's kind of like 4 sneak peeks. The other product we have is a Glass Skin Refining Serum, a value of $39, and this is from Peach and Lily company. I never heard about this company. I don't know if it's good. It's kind of like a pump in a white bottle. Yeah, like a serum, and serums are good too. So alright, and the last product we have is yeah, it is a setting powder, and every charmer is gonna receive this, but there's 2 different shades. You either get the original or the golden bronze. And this is the Becca Cosmetics Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder with a value of $39. And I think that's it, but let's see. Let me double check everything. And it says here for you either get the Tarte mascara or the glass skin refining serum. So either one of those you're gonna get. And for the Becca, it's supposed to be everybody. You just get the shade Biscuit. I guess that goes on your profile depending on the profile that you have. But yeah, those are the little sneak peeks that we have for the month of August. I'm so excited to share with you guys this video. I know I've been doing this for a while now, and I just want to see what you guys think about it. Do you like the little sneak peeks of Boxy Charm, or are you just like, I don't know, but I'll watch it, you know? I'm having some Taco Bell. If you love Taco Bell, give me a high five. This is Baja Blast. You know it. You know it. So yeah, that's it guys for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys are excited about this sneak peeks. And yes, I hope to see you guys on my next video.